No, Anish is giving a problem. What happened, Anish? How long will you take to send?
Sir, I sent it.
Okay, so Anish is saying something like this. Okay, Anish, I think I understood the question now. So he's asking a situation where I have asked you to plot a graph, and let's say this point is 0, 3. And he's saying there is one turning point here, some, and then there is another turning point, right? This is what you are calling diagonally. Right, Anish?
Yes, sir.
So here it's not a problem. See, it has to go up. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then it has to come down, right?
Yes, sir.
What does that tell you? Is it possible for second turning point to be here?
No.
So you won't get that situation. Yes, you might get a situation like this. Like there is one situation which you might get is, I'm showing which one. That you are getting somewhere here, y-axis point, let's say 0, 15 or whatever. Okay. Then it has to come down. Then go up. Then it's possible. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But what you are saying is that situation will not come, because then it can't be a turning point.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Anish?
Okay, sir. Sir, I thought like the two turning points will lie at one single point, so it would go up instead of coming down, like if they are in a diagonal.
Yeah, so what that also we can test out. That won't be, that's a good question basically. So that means you won't have two separate turning point. In that situation, something like this might happen, okay? But then you have only one turning point. This guy is not the turning point. It's only this guy which is acting as a
Both the turning
double
points.
turning point, and then something like this happens, right? The class we learned.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now I will just do a recap today. That is why I didn't give homework. All kind of graphs. So type 1 was line graphs. So they had basically three different types of variation. First one was simple, something like this. Remember, how do you used to plot it? You take at x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So 0, 1. At y equal to 0, x is minus 1 by 3. So you have minus 1 by 3, 0. Okay. Hello. So minus 1 by 3, 0 is here. And 0, 1 is here. None. Remember? Second variation in line graphs was something like this. Y equal to x or y equal to 2x, something like that. So at x equal to 0, y is 0. But at y equal to 0, x is 0, you again get 0, 0 as the 2 points. So what do? take some other point at x equal to 1. Y is equal to 2. So 1 comma 2 as the another point and then join. Okay. Then third variation was when there is only one variable. Something like y equal to 5 is there. So what do? You take all the points with y equal to 5. 0, comma 5, 1, comma 5, 2, comma 5. And same way this side also minus 1, comma 5, minus 2, comma 5. What it means is that x can vary, but y will be 5. So how does the line comes? A straight line with all these points falling on it. Getting? Then you had fourth variation like x equal to minus 3 type. Same thing here, but this time what will not change? X. For example, minus 3, comma 0, minus 3, comma 1, minus 3, comma 2, all these points. Then on that side, minus 3, comma minus 1, minus 3, comma minus 2, so on. Getting it? So this time there will be a line like this. This line is x equal to minus 3 line. Remember, we have done all these cases for line. Okay. Now quickly do a problem for all cases of line. You have to plot for following graphs. Okay. Hmm? I don't have a ruler. I don't have. Oh, is it? Where? Oh, but return it. Okay. I think I have another one. I found a better one than that. Take this. All four done, right? Good. Yeah, x equal to 5/2, last one. Last one is wrong. First one is also, no, first one is fine actually. Second one is completely wrong. You have messed up the coordinates. Second and fourth are wrong. What curve you are getting? Is this a curve? The second one you didn't do? The others are good. Assuming first one is a line. Who is this? Akash, whatever you have done is correct. Who is this?
Sir, I'm Chan.
Shamla, this is wrong. So that's why first one is wrong. What is this? 2. Yeah, correct them. Others are good. Okay. I'll just fix that, Shamla. Anish, checking your work. First one is good. Second one is good. Third good. Fourth good. All correct, Anish.
Okay, sir.
Arihant, checking your work. Arihant, first one is correct. Second one is also correct. Third one also correct. Fourth one also correct. Sarah, checking your work. First one correct, Sarah. Second also correct. Third correct. Fourth correct. All correct, Sarah. First one correct. This is second, it's wrong. Third correct, fourth correct. Who is this? Where is the first one? All good. Good.
Sir, I sent.
So that point is wrong. Is wrong, Shabla? What is that? Still wrong. Can you show me where is the, have you changed the graph? First one? Oh, sorry, I was looking at wrong. It's correct. Okay, Sohan, you have not sent. Acha, oh, I see Sohan.
Sir, I sent from a new number.
Sohan,
Yes, sir.
all are correct except for this one, the point which the other than 0,0 point, that other point is wrong.
Okay, sir. I'll rewrite.
Okay, I've got it from some unknown number, some Delhi.
Sir, that's Nihan.
Who is that? Nihal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Nihal.
Sir, I took a random person's phone and I have your number. So, like, I know your number. I by hearted your number because I used it many times.
Okay. So in first graph, acha, okay, I see you have labeled it down. Fine. First graph is correct. Second graph, what is that other point? It's not there. Other than 0, point. Third and fourth are fine.
Oh, yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, it's fine.
Sir, I sent.
Permanent second one, that 1 comma minus 1 point is wrong. Third one, it was y equal to -2. I believe you took it as -3. Fourth is fine. Abhiram, first one is completely wrong. Second one also completely wrong.
Okay.
Third one also fully wrong. Fourth one, there is no line. So all four graphs are completely wrong.
Sir, I'll send it again. Sir.
Hmm?
Sir, I'll do it again, sir.
Here.
Second one, I labeled it down.
It is still wrong. Hmm? Third one is fine. Second is too long. Labeling. Yeah. Okay, moving on to the curved graphs. Now, curved graphs, again, there are variations among curved graphs. Oh, the first is type 1. So, curved graphs में highest power 2 or degree 2. Examples are like x square plus 5x plus 6 का graph or x square का graph or x square minus x plus 1 का graph. Okay, all these. Now, there are multiple types here. Type 1. Type 1 is factorizable with 2 points on x-axis. Like this. So, steps wise, first find y point at x equal to 0. Y is 24. So 0, 24. Second, turning point. How do you find turning point? You find the slope equation, which is 2x minus 10. Put it to 0. X equal to 5. And then you find y equal to 5 square minus 10 into 5 plus 24, 49 minus 50 minus 1. So 5 comma minus 1. Okay. Now that much is enough to plot the graph. These 2 points are enough. 0, 24. And the turning point is 5 comma minus 1. So because you know it will come here without turning, it will come and then here it will turn. What's missing is these 2 points, which are very easily findable. How? Means at y equal to 0. So this comes x minus 6, x minus 4. So you get x equal to 4 or x equal to 6. This is 4 comma 0, 6 comma 0. Okay. Type 2 there. Factorizable with 1 point on x-axis. Example, y equal to x square plus 4x plus 4. Again, At x equal to 0, y is 4, so 0, comma 4. Second turning point we will find. So what is the slope? 2x plus 4. Put 2x plus 4 equal to 0. You get x as minus 2. So y is minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 4, which is 4 minus 8 plus 4, which is 0. So minus 2 comma 0.
Sir, can you go back once? Done, sir.
So now plot them 0 comma 4, minus 2 comma 0. This is how it is. Now, do you really need to calculate anything else here? Or you already know where it's touching the x-axis? In this case, turning point itself, it's touching x-axis. Type 3. Cutting x-axis twice, but hard to factorize. Example, y equal to 3x square plus 5x plus 1. Again, initial step, same. At x equal to 0, y is 1. So 0 comma 1. Then turning point. Slope is 6x plus 5. So 6x plus 5 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 5 by 6. Calculate y. 3 into minus 5 by 6 whole square plus 5 into minus 5 by 6 plus 1. 3 into 25 by 36. So 75 by 36 minus 25 by 6 plus 1. This is 25 by 12. So minus 25 by 12 plus 12 by 12 minus 13 by 12. So again, now you can plot the graph. That's not the problem. 0, what was the y point? 0 comma 1. And turning point was minus 5 by 6 comma minus 13 by 12. So till here, it's not any different. It's not hard. Where does it get hard? We have to find these points. Okay. Now it will not factorize easily, so you take 3 common. This is something which some of the people of this class hate doing or keep repeating the same mistakes. Value of b comes out to be 5 by 6, so plus 5 by 6 square plus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6 whole square. So you get x plus 5 by 6 whole square. minus 13 by 36 equal to 0. So x plus 5 by 6 whole square. Mind it, there is a minus sign here, which is important. From this you get, sorry, minus 5 by 6 plus root 13 by 6 and minus 5 by 6. Both are negative. So final plot will be zero comma 1 and minus 5 by 6 comma then this point is minus 5 by, this is more negative and this is less negative, comma, sorry. Okay. This point and this point. Then type 4 in this. You have to be clever with it. No x-axis intersection point. Like this is the, so here like always at x equal to 0, y is 9, 0 comma 9. Then turning point, slope is x equal to minus 2. So y equal to minus 2 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 9, 4 minus 8 plus 9, 5. So minus 2 comma 5. Look at it. If you plot properly this one, you will yourself realize that this is the turning point, that's the y point. So will it intersect the x-axis?
No, sir.
So then do you need to do anything else?
No, sir.
Type 5, reverse graphs. When sign in front of x square is negative. Like this is there. So process will be same. At x equal to 0, y is minus 12. So 0 comma minus 12. Turning point, slope is minus 2x minus 7. Minus 2x minus 7 equal to 0. X is equal to minus 7 by 2. So y is equal to minus it is minus 49 by 4 plus 49 by 2 minus 12. This becomes 49 by 4 minus 12. Yeah, this will come 1 by 4. Okay. So now you can plot the graph. You will know it's reverse. 0 comma minus 12 comes here. And this guy minus 7 by 2 comma 1 by 4 will be here. If you plot correctly, you will realize that it will be ulta graph. Is it cutting x-axis? So you will have to find. So at y equal to 0, minus x square minus 7x minus 12 equal to 0, minus common x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0, x square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 0, so x plus 3, x equal to minus 3 or x equal to minus 4. Here,
Yes, sir.
then comes cubic graphs. Here you can have multiple types. Type 1, 2 turning points. Or wait. Wait. First plot some that. What this side. Hmm? First one, the turning point is wrong. Second one, of course, is completely wrong and irritatingly wrong. Third one is also wrong. Okay. Third one is actually not wrong. Guys, third one, I need to change the question. Hello? Guys, third one, I'm changing the question. I'm sorry. I will change. Second one is. Guys, third one, I've changed the question. Last one you changed. First one is good. Second one, what is the graph? Like this? It's wrong. This is the turning point. You're using 3 here. I changed the question. I'm not using 5 here. When we started. Okay, first one is correct now. Second one is still totally wrong. Third one. No, so this is not this point. Now the location of this point is wrong. Second one is totally wrong. Plot. Last one is yes. Last one is fine. Second one is wrong. What? How can this point minus 9 by 16 lie here? We'll have to start it. And this you didn't change the question. So you changed it here. Okay. First one is good. Second one not done. Third one you have done here. Okay. This is good. This is fine. This part is wrong. It will not be minus 5 by 4. Yeah, it is correct. Third one won't be correct. You know that. Third one won't be correct. Because you will never get that concept. It's not correct. Value of B is wrong. That I know. At third one you won't get it.
So can I go back?
You never got it in grade 7. You never got it in grade 8. So it's pretty much a give up situation. Still wrong. Think the sign before x is negative. So what kind of problem?
Sir, send the first two.
Okay, it's correct. Third one. Is this? Yeah, good. Okay, wait a minute. Arihant and Bhiram have sent. I'm checking Arihant's work right now. Arihant, first one is correct. Second one is wrong. Third one is correct, Arihant. Where is first one? Okay, first. This point is wrong, Mira. Minus 1 by 4. Second is totally wrong. Third, this point, how are you getting plus? Yeah, it's equal to minus 5. That's why first turning point location is wrong. Yes. Got it? You are not alone. That's what I can say. Okay. Abhiram, you sent first and second. Na? First and second are good. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Sohan. Sohan, you have labeled the turning point wrong, made it correctly. So label it correctly, okay? For first one.
Okay. Okay. Sir.
And rest of it is very good actually. All very good.
So first one I have to change the date.
Label it correctly. You have calculated it correctly, but your labeling, yeah, like reporting is wrong.
Okay. Okay, so I'll send it.
Sarah, first one good, second one correct, sorry, second one wrong. Third one also good.
So what did I get wrong in the second one?
I will tell conceptually it's wrong, Sarah.
Okay.
You guys are confusing yourself between cubic and square graphs. That's the problem. Second is you are still confused about second one. First one is right now. Last one was already right, na Myra? No, so there is this side, this will go, and there will be another point. Where is this is the third one, right? This is correct. What is this? 9 or 69? That can be simplified actually. It's not wrong, but it's the root of that. Both are square. So simplified, that's it. Otherwise, it's fine. Second one is wrong, and you are not the only one, although it's the easiest graph. Good. Third one. Yeah.
Sir, I sent the second one.
Points look good, Parvana. X. How can it be 3/4? That y point, that at y equal to 0, y point will be 0, right? Okay, Anish, you're saying you sent? No. Anish, I didn't receive. I received from this guy.
Sir, I didn't say that I sent. It was someone else.
Arihan, correct.
Sir, I didn't say I was sent. I sent.
Okay. I misunderstood. Sorry.
Sir, the second one is correct.
Yes, it is. Okay, I am doing the second one, guys. Actually, second one, a lot of people are messing up and I'm little surprised. See, this is not cubic graph. This is x square type. And what is the sign in front of x square? Negative, right? Now see, at x equal to 0, y is 0. Now turning point, how do we find? Slope. What is slope? Minus 18x. Minus 18x equal to 0 means x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, y is minus 9 into 0 square. 0. So 0 comma 0 is your turning point as well as the y point, right? And since there is a negative in front of x square, how will the graph be? It will be reverse type of graph like this. That's it. If that is the turning point, that's how it is supposed to be. A reverse graph with that as the turning point. There is no other way. Okay. Which one, Akash? First one is fine. Third one is wrong. You have plotted the turning point and that correctly, but you have plotted the turning point wrong. You found it correctly, but plotted it wrong. Which one? It's wrong. This point is the factorization is wrong. Guys, I will have to stop here irrespective. Yes.